Tell me what you do now.
I'm not going to show you.
Show me what you do. What do? You swim from one side to the other without your life jacket. Woo!
Some prawns.
Some local king prawns from Port Douglas Harbour.
So we are still at Port Douglas. We decided not to go to the Daintree. Because we've done it before. And the other place we were going to was Cooktown. But we decided not to go there either because it was going to be a really big day for the kids, and we're happy just chilling. So yeah, so Port Douglas until Sunday. But today we're going to the Cairns Caravan and Camping Expo, so that will be fun.
The kings come out.
You reckon a king lives here?
Yes, kings live here with his mum.
You can get married here.
Married?
Yeah.
That means you die.
No, that doesn't mean you die. It means, I don't know how to explain that to you. You know how Mummy and Daddy got married?
Yeah.
And you were there?
Yeah.
And Mummy got the same last name as you?
Yeah.
That's what married means.
I can see some little pictures over there.
Yeah, we're not allowed to go in though. Looks nice, doesn't it? Do you like Port Douglas?
Yeah.
Me too.
That's it.
The best. Don't know about swimming though. A few crocodile signs around. But it is such a beautiful spot. Park there. What is it?
It's a big fish.
Wow.
Yeah.
Don't touch him, leave him alone. He might get scared. So today is Sunday, and we're leaving Port Douglas. Been here for, I don't know, about a week or something now. It's such a nice spot. We were here for our honeymoon, and I think this is the second time we've been to Port Douglas. And we just absolutely love it here. Like, the vibe is so good. Like, you've got the bars, the restaurants, the shops, amazing food. It's just, oh, and the beaches, so good. Anyway, so we're leaving Port Douglas today. We're heading to Cairns. Our drone is broken. So Josh dropped that off at a guy to get fixed. So that won't be fixed until Tuesday. So yeah, in Cairns at the Coconut Resort, the Big 4 Coconut, for 4 nights, and we are so bloody excited because they have so much to do for kids. So make sure you keep watching because we're going to share our experience there and everything that you can do as a family. So I'm super excited. How excited are you to go to the next spot?
Excited!
Very excited, I think. What have they got there? Oh.
A playground and water slides and jumping trailers, 2 jumping trailers.
Wow.
And a water park and a splash park.
Woohoo!
And 2 jumping trailers.
Adventure time.
Cairns Coconut. Woo! Oh.
Happy with that?
Yeah. Hello.
Wow, what's this thing? You gotta run around and do all the lights. What are we going to do?
Mini golf.
Woo!
You haven't did mini golf for a long time.
I know, we haven't done it for a long time. Who's going to win, me or you?
Me.
You?
Yeah, but you're gonna win the first one.
Alright, let's see. Who just got a hole in one?
Me. Driven up to Corunda. Corunda? That's what it's called, isn't it?
There's no sharks on that side.
So yeah, we're just here for the day.
Most of the turtles down there are sauce shell turtles. I can see some swimming around and they got gold on top of their eyes. They're actually a female prep turtle. Oh, see that one fish there? What's that? They're archer-fish. Oh, yeah. They're archer-fish. They're the ones that can actually squirt a jet of water up to 2 metres.
Thank you so much for watching another episode. We hope you enjoyed it just as much as we love sharing them. We are having the time of our lives. It's been about 10 months now living in our van. Don't have an end date in sight. So if you are ever wondering as well how we generate an income online and how we are funding our Lap of Australia, hit us up on any of our social media accounts and we will get back to you. Thanks for watching.